Happy birthday, Jana! This is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jana Jana! I wish you all the best.
Eto na yung sabihin ko. Happy birthday, Ana. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana magkita-kita rin tayo next year. Okay? I love you. I miss you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tita Ana. Sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad kasi that's what you deserve.
Miss na namin kayo lahat. Bye!
Bye!
Have a blast.